Hey everybody, Shu here. Welcome back to Living Free 365, where we do all kinds of travels and adventures. But a little announcement here. We now have a gaming channel. And on this gaming channel, we do a lot of the Call of Duty, World of Tanks, World of Warships, stuff like that. Just random games. But on Mondays with this Call of Duty, I actually have a Military Monday. So, if you've ever been in the military, it doesn't matter what branch, doesn't even matter what country, if you were in the military or are in the military, active duty, retired, prior service, whatever, and you game, swing on by, jump on in. Let's have some fun. If you're not into gaming and you just want to still swing by, I'm going to have the link to our YouTube down below. And I'm going to have the link to our Twitch, which that's where we live stream. Military Monday is on Monday between 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Might go a little later if we're having a lot of fun. And then on Thursday, we have another streaming day, which is also from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But between those days and sometimes after, we'll just do random streams. So if you ever see us on line, swing on by, say hi. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it helps on YouTube, and hit the follow button on Twitch because it all, in their algorithms, it all helps out. So until next time, y'all stay safe out there.